Hello YouTube, hi friends, hi my little clowns, welcome back or to my channel. Hi, my name is Nikki. I like fun, colorful, bright makeup, sort of clownish. It is what it is. Today I played with this Jade X Beauty Bay palette, this gorgeousness, and came up with this look. I've been a little inconsistent. It's been 2 weeks since I last filmed. It is what it is. But if you would like to join on this journey and see all the things I do, then please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. I painted this, God, I don't remember when that was. I should maybe date these, but I painted this really poorly, obviously, but I wanted to do something kind of inspired by this. Maybe change the green up a little bit. I will be using, I just threw it on the ground, the Jade X Beauty Bay palette. I think I'm going to use that shade, that shade. There's no white in here. I'm going to have to grab out my Blend Bunny one then. But I'm just going to use this gorgeousness and play with makeups again, because I'm like finally feeling good in the head to like get out of bed, do things, the whatnot. So the first shade that I'm going to be going in with is this really bright hot pink shade right here called Retrograde, and I'm going to be putting that in the crease. And I'm just going to be sitting here, let me see if I can, that was a lot, and just pressing this in until I get the color payoff that I want. I mean, it's a really good palette. I think it's just me and my not setting my primer base, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do a cut crease since that's all I've been doing on my channel as of late. I'm bringing this shade up more into up here because I think I'm going to go in with a darker shade like this from the Blend Bunny Blends palette. I think there would be a perfect shade that I'd be looking for in the newest one, but I don't have that. So I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called Vamp from the Blend Bunny palette and putting that in here. So then there's just a little bit of depth and dimension. And I took a little bit of this shade right here called Chase in the Blend Bunny. They both start with double B, so this is gonna be, it's gonna be fun. And I'm just putting that over here. It's a little teensy mint different than the other one, from the Beauty Bay one. And I think the Blend Bunny one just has a little bit more pigment. And blending all of it together. Now I'm going to cut it with some micellar water and a Q-tip, prime it again, put some, we know that took me a lot longer than expected, and I think that's because I was zoning out. But I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called Cream and Sugar from the Blend Bunny one, and I'm going to be plopping that all over here. I'm currently listening to everybody that's talking downstairs. But I'm going to be using the Melt Onyx Ultra Matte Gel Liner and, creating a wing right here, and then I'm going to put some green over that. So this is going to end up being just like my other frickin' one. My dragon fruit one. Not my dragon fruit, my watermelon one. But I'm going to take this shade right here called Serenity, and I'm going to be putting that over the liner that I just did. Again, just like my freaking watermelon one. It's not looking necessarily that good, but I'm just rolling with it today, and it is what it is. I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called Milky Way, and I'm going to be putting that in here. And I think just to get the color that I want, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called Jaded and putting that over the green line that I've done. Actually, you know what? F it. Even though I just did that, I'm going to go in with this one instead. It's like a nice, beautiful cobalt blue. Okay, I did the other eye. I sort of have a game plan for after. I'm gonna do lashes, but I wanted to show y'all the new lashes that I got. These are from Wispy Links. Shout out to Kayla for showing me this brand. Just look at these. I'll insert a better clip afterwards, but they're all so gorgeous and I'm so excited. I want to use these, but not today. I'm going to use my trusty old, the ones that are falling apart, my ColourPop ones, because I really like those. So I'm going to go do lashes, more face, and I'll come back for blush, lip, highlighter, outro, all that. Okay, I'm back. Full face. These lashes were a bitch. Like, I'm not kidding. They were not fun to do. This is the Melt Lynx Cream Blush Light. I feel like I use this in every video. I kind of just use this as like a, I don't know. It's more of like a, obviously it's a cream product. Got it. I said that in the thing. I'm just going to use it as a base for the blush that I'm going to be putting on, because I'm extra. For the actual blush, I'm going to be I'm going to be going in with Unearthly Cosmetics Surrender. Yeah, it is Surrender. See, I feel like I'm saying it wrong every time. Glowing Blush Palette. I'm going to be going in with this middle shade right here called Romantic. Not a lot, because this is potent as hell. I'm plopping that on. And then I take my foundation concealer brush and I just sort of go over that with whatever product is left. Because as much as I love clownish makeup, I don't want it to be like full on just like circles, you know, like I want it to be bright, but I don't want it to be like that clownish. And I think for highlighter, I can't speak today. I'm going in with this ColourPop Candy Floss Super Shock highlight. Looks like this. But I think for the under eye, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Head in the Clouds. Grab a brush. Probably wasn't the right brush, but you know. That's my mood today. I'm just going to put that under here. This is sort of cotton candy, but you know, saying that, let's go in with a little bit of this shade right here called Ethereal. I can't even say words today. You know what? It is what it is. I'm putting a little bit of that out here. I'm blending those two together. And then because I want to bring that green in again, I'm going to go in with this shade, the Serenity shade, and actually use it. Holy moly. Does none of this look good? And just because I like an inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with this silver shade right here called Confetti. And plop that right here. And maybe put a little out here so then we're matching. And you know what? I'll just Boom. Boom. I switched the lip. It's this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. So then I put another gloss over it, which I will have everything linked in the description. But this is the completed look. I don't know how necessarily happy I am with it, but you know, it is what it is. But thank you for making it to this point of the video if you decided to watch it and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to be more consistent. I think me getting out of bed and not being a depressed little bitch, even though it's okay to be that, will help me and everything. And I'm thinking and hoping that life is gonna like start going in the direction it should be and keeping the people that shouldn't be in my life out of my life. So but I leave you with, don't be racist, don't be transphobic, don't be homophobic, don't be anything along those lines. You know, it is so much easier to be a nice person, to be kind, and to ignore the things that you do not like, that you do not understand. Just be freaking nice, please.